Hey there, chemistry enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of chemistry and exploring its various branches. Chemistry is all around us, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. So, let's embark on this exciting journey and uncover the different branches of chemistry. Well, in the world of chemistry, different branches act as specialized detectives, each focusing on a specific aspect of matter and its interactions. Let's meet these chemists and learn about their unique roles. Organic chemistry. Our first chemist on the scene is an organic chemist. This branch deals with compounds containing carbon. It's like exploring the secret lives of carbon atoms. Organic chemists study the structure, properties, and reactions of organic compounds found in everything from medicines to plastics. They unlock the mysteries of carbon-based life forms and create new molecules to improve our daily lives. Inorganic chemistry. Now, let's meet the inorganic chemist. They focus on elements other than carbon and their compounds. Inorganic chemistry investigates materials like metals, minerals, and non-carbon-based compounds. They help us understand the properties of metals, develop catalysts, and even discover new materials for advanced technologies. Inorganic chemists are like treasure hunters, searching for hidden elements and unlocking their potential. Physical chemistry. Next up, we have the physicist chemist, or better known as a physical chemist. This branch explores the fundamental principles and theories behind chemical phenomena. They study the behavior of atoms and molecules, energy changes during reactions, and the laws governing chemical processes. Physical chemists are like scientists with superpowers, using their knowledge to predict and control reactions on a molecular level. Analytical chemistry. Now, let's meet an analytical chemist. They are equipped with sophisticated instruments to uncover the chemical composition and properties of substances. Analytical chemists develop and use techniques like spectroscopy and chromatography to identify unknown substances, check the quality of products, and even detect pollutants in the environment. They ensure that what we consume and interact with is safe and reliable. Biochemistry. Now, we have the biochemist, who is like a molecular biologist with a chemical twist. Biochemists study the chemical processes and molecules that occur in living organisms. They delve into the intricacies of proteins, enzymes, DNA, and metabolism. By understanding the chemistry of life, biochemists make significant contributions to medicine, genetics, and even the development of new drugs. Green chemistry. Picture a chemist with a mission to protect the environment. That's what green chemists are all about. Green chemistry, also known as sustainable chemistry, focuses on developing chemical processes and products that minimize or eliminate harmful effects on our planet. These chemists seek to create more eco-friendly alternatives, reduce waste, and conserve resources. Quantum chemistry. Prepare to enter the realm of the incredibly small. Quantum chemistry is like a portal to the subatomic world, where chemists explore the behavior of atoms and molecules using the principles of quantum mechanics. This branch focuses on understanding the electronic structure and properties of molecules at the quantum level. Quantum chemists use complex mathematical models and computer simulations to unravel the mysteries of molecular interactions, chemical bonding, and reaction mechanisms. Nuclear chemistry. Now, let's step into a highly energetic field of chemistry, nuclear chemistry. It deals with the study of radioactive materials, nuclear reactions, and their applications. Nuclear chemists investigate the properties of atomic nuclei, radioisotopes, and radiation. They play a crucial role in areas like nuclear power, radiopharmaceuticals for medical imaging, and even dating ancient artifacts using radioactive isotopes. Nuclear chemistry truly harnesses the power of the atom. Electrochemistry. Get ready for a spark of excitement. Electrochemistry explores the fascinating relationship between electricity and chemical reactions. It's like a dynamic dance between electrons and molecules. Electrochemists study the flow of electrons in chemical systems, such as batteries, fuel cells, and corrosion processes. They develop new ways to generate and store energy, making significant contributions to renewable energy technologies. Thermochemistry. Let's turn up the heat with thermochemistry. This branch examines the heat energy involved in chemical reactions and transformations. Thermochemists measure and calculate the energy changes during reactions, helping us understand how heat is absorbed or released. They play a vital role in areas like energy production, combustion processes, and even the study of the Earth's climate. Thermochemistry is like a thermometer for the world of chemistry. Environmental chemistry. Imagine a chemist working to protect and preserve our natural world. That's the essence of environmental chemistry. This branch focuses on understanding the chemical processes and interactions that occur in the environment. Environmental chemists study the sources, fate, and effects of pollutants in air, water, soil, and ecosystems. They strive to develop sustainable solutions, assess environmental risks, and contribute to the conservation and restoration of our fragile planet. Industrial chemistry. Now, let's step into the realm where chemistry meets industry, industrial chemistry. This branch revolves around the production and optimization of chemical processes on a large scale. Industrial chemists work in manufacturing plants, developing efficient and cost-effective methods to produce various chemical products. They apply their knowledge to improve industrial processes, reduce waste, and ensure safety standards. Industrial chemistry plays a pivotal role in sectors like pharmaceuticals, plastics, textiles, and many more. Medicinal chemistry. Have you ever wondered how new drugs are discovered and developed? That's where medicinal chemistry comes into play. Medicinal chemists blend their knowledge of chemistry and biology to design, synthesize, and study compounds with potential therapeutic effects. They work closely with pharmacologists and clinicians to develop new drugs, optimize their efficacy, and minimize side effects. Medicinal chemistry plays a vital role in advancing healthcare, combating diseases, and improving the quality of life for millions of people. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow chemistry enthusiasts. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the diverse branches of chemistry.